Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to let customers pay via invoice in WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful if you run a business that deals with corporate clients or repeat customers who prefer to receive invoices and pay later rather than paying upfront. It adds flexibility to your checkout process and can help you close more sales with the right audience. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're accessing the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options related to managing your site's plugins. From the expanded menu, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new tools to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. On the plugins page, you'll see all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar and type in Invoice Gateway. From the search results, look for a plugin called Invoice Gateway for WooCommerce Invoice Payment Gateway. This is the plugin we'll be using to enable invoice payments. Before installing, click on More Details to see an overview of the plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you configure it properly later. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient as the system processes the plugin files. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a button that says Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, click on the WooCommerce option on your left navigation menu. An expanded set of options will appear. From this expanded menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the WooCommerce settings page where you can configure various aspects of your online store. At the top part of your screen, you'll notice several sections. Click on Payments. This is where you manage all the payment methods available to your customers during checkout. Scroll down the Payments page and you'll see a new option called Invoice Payment that was added by the plugin you just installed. Click on Invoice to activate this payment method. Then click on Manage to set up the invoice payment settings. From the invoice payment settings page, you'll see fields where you can add a description and instructions for customers. Fill in an instruction that clearly explains how the invoice payment works, such as when they can expect to receive the invoice and how they should pay it. You can also enable this payment method for both shipping and virtual orders, depending on your business needs. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Save Changes to finalize the setup, and that's it. You've successfully enabled invoice payments in WooCommerce, giving your customers more flexibility at checkout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.